Why do we perceive the world differently? This question puzzled thinkers for centuries. Understanding sensation and perception's history unveils their complexity. In this tutorial, we will explore key historical perspectives on sensation and perception. Let's break this down into structured steps. First, ancient philosophers like Plato and Aristotle laid the foundation. Plato believed perception was unreliable. Aristotle, however, thought sensation was crucial for knowledge. Next, move to the 17th century with René Descartes. He argued for dualism, separating mind and body. This perspective influenced how we understand perception. Then, consider the 19th century with Gustav Fechner. He established psychophysics, linking physical stimuli to sensory experience. This work pioneered the study of sensation scientifically. Afterward, explore the Gestalt psychologists in the early 20th century. They emphasized that perception is more than just sensory input. They introduced concepts like figure-ground relations and proximity. Transitioning to behaviorism, figures like John B. Watson shifted focus. They argued that perception was learned through interactions with the environment. This view reshaped psychology in significant ways. Next, consider cognitive psychology's emergence in the mid-20th century. Researchers began examining mental processes involved in perception. This led to understanding perception as an active, constructive process. Finally, today's perspectives consider neuroscience and psychology. Researchers study how the brain interprets sensory data. This multidisciplinary approach enriches our understanding of perception. To summarize, we have explored the historical perspectives on sensation and perception. We started with ancient philosophies, then moved to modern scientific methods. Each era contributed to our understanding of how we perceive the world. Now, I encourage you to explore these ideas further. Consider how historical perspectives shape your understanding of perception today. Thank you for watching.